woke up very early today. Hi, my name is Victor Bart, and today we're gonna visit a place where all kinds of old cars are in a forest. It's kind of a famous place here in Sweden. It's to the Norwegian border. Found it. Oh, nice. Let's find somewhere to park and then explore here. It's 6:55 in the morning and it looks nobody is around here. So I have the whole place for myself. The light is nice. So let's explore this and take some pictures and show you around. This is perfect to make like a little camper van on the back of it. I just found another Jimny owner.
Hi
in
guys.
the middle of nowhere. There's no one here and only two guys with Jimnys.
Nobody will believe you.
No.
So got a Mazda Miata MX-5. 3 years ago I drove my MX-5 to North Cape, and when I drove back I met a guy from the Netherlands as well. He was also in a Miata, so it's kind of same.
Little stove, water.
Yeah, it's a bit messy right now. But
do you like the roof rack?
Actually, yeah. But it was on there when I bought it. This one is actually pretty cool. I saw it on YouTube. And it's a weapon storage box. It's really fine. You've got all the things you don't need.
The chances are so small to meet up with two Jimnys on an empty parking spot in the middle of nowhere.
Indeed.
So thank you.
It was a pleasure, man.
Yes.
Have a good one. Cheers.
And good luck with your journey back home.
Thanks. Cheers, man. Have a
Bye.
good one.
Good journey.
You too.
That place was truly amazing and really worth to visit. When I will be back in this area, I will just go again because I didn't see half of it probably. And meeting up one guy in the middle of nowhere and he also has a Jimny. What are the chances? And my plans for the rest of the day is head into Norway. I'm close to the border, and then just drive. It's now 9:30 in the morning, so I have the whole day. This is so nice. Just cruising 25-30 kilometers an hour through the forest on this little dirt road, like 750 meters from the Norwegian border. I love this. This is overlanding. Just exploring and have no set plan and just go. We are at the border of Sweden and Norway, and as you can see, you have armed guards here and fences and barbed wire and what? There's nothing here. My rear wheels are in Sweden, my front wheels are in Norway, and this is the whole border post. Just one pile of stones with a sign. The dirt road continues into Norway, so really beautiful here. And the landscape, oh wait, these are just a gravel dump. Nice, an old-timer. I'm going to the supermarket and look what I see! A red Jimny! So I'm gonna park next to it! I saw this road and I was thinking, I want to know what's up there. Not sure if I'm allowed, but the gate is open and it goes up and up and up. But this little road is a nice distraction from driving around. Oh, here it becomes a bit rougher. Nice. But still, it's like a man-made road. Oh, perfect. We can turn around here and head back to the main road. I was heading for the Trollstigen route, but for some reason they closed it, and the reason is safety and rock slides, and then you have adventure on the road if that happens. So yeah, now I need to figure out what I'm gonna do and which route I want to take. I decided to go to the direction of Trondheim, but today I will not arrive there, but I will find somewhere to camp. On the small roads again, and directly some off-roading because of roadworks. We have roadside sheep here, and I'm now stuck behind 3 campers. Today I made a decision. I'm going north. I'm going to attempt to reach the North Cape, and I don't have like 6 weeks time. I only have 3 weeks holiday, and I'm already 5 days in. And tonight I'm heading to Trondheim, and from there I think I can reach the North Cape and go back and still go to the village meeting. And I'm alone, so I can just drive. And the roads here in Norway are just so nice to drive, and the views are great, and yes, I go for it. Let's do this. I'm now turning on the E6 again, and if I follow it all the way to the end, I will be at the North Cape. So it's just an easy trip. We follow the raging river between the high cliffs. I just filled up and I need to do like an important modification because there's so much rain. It looks less impressive, but with so much rain, this is the better solution. We are at the outskirts of Trondheim. Somewhere here must be a spot where 4 campers can stay. But I don't see it yet. Oh, I think it's here. I'm parked now near Trondheim, just on a stupid parking spot, but I found some park for night. So in the next episode we will continue up north. And if you like this journey, please hit the subscribe button and like this video.